Hi, my name is Wendy Emerson, and I am a director with the Pampered Chef, and I've been with the Pampered Chef for about 5 years. And I want to tell you about something very exciting that's happening this month with the Pampered Chef. For the first time in their history, they have come out with a limited time spring start new consultant kit that is just $39. And this kit has about $140 in product and business supplies to help you get started with a brand new Pampered Chef business and be off and running to, either earn some extra income for your home or, put some extra spending money in your pocket, or even just help you develop a new circle of friends and give you a sense of identity of something that is your own and build your self-confidence. So this $39 kit features some of our greatest products that are easy to demo using only a microwave. I'm telling you. So the Spring Start Kit is $39, and it includes our microwave pasta cooker, which is off the charts amazing. You could even do things like make a giant chocolate chip cookie in the microwave in this microwave pasta cooker. The kit also includes a set of 2 microwave bowl cozies. It's one of our newer products. Our breakfast sandwich maker, which is basically a ceramic bowl with a couple silicone inserts and a lid. You can do things like soups, mug cakes, breakfast sandwiches. There's so much you can demo in that just in the microwave. And then our veggie strip maker, which is amazing for doing things like making quick zucchini noodles, which you can pair with the microwave pasta cooker and do low carb meals in the microwave. You can use it to shred cheese, shred carrots, shred potatoes for hash browns, even do cauliflower rice with the veggie strip maker. So that basic set of products is just $39 to start in March, just March of 2019 this year. It's a limited time kit. And when you order that Strong Start Kit, you will be on your way to a very successful business with the Pampered Chef. Whether you want to go into people's homes and do live cooking shows, you could start off having a launch party that's all about microwave cooking, right? Or whether you want to run a successful virtual business, which is how I run my Pampered Chef business, is 95% on Facebook through virtual parties using Facebook groups. I would love to teach you everything that I know. I would love to welcome you to my organization and mentor you to have a really strong, get off to a strong start with your brand new Pampered Chef business and be on your way to earning, upwards of $1,000 a month in extra income. If you put in and commit 15 hours a week, you can be making great money with the Pampered Chef. We average between $50 and $90 an hour per party, right? So I would love to talk to you. This is our brand new season's catalog. It's got some amazing products in it. Your new consultant kit comes with a guidebook to help you get going. You'll get a supply of catalogs and all kinds of great information. And you'll have me as your upline director and my amazing supportive team to help you along the way and to help you get started. So I'll post a link right in the video. You can click right on that link, and it's going to take you to pamperedchef.com. You're going to click on Be a Consultant and then go through. Now, there are a couple other more expensive kits. You can certainly choose one of those, but the $39 kit is a great way for you to jump in and peek under the hood without having to really make a big financial investment in a kit. And then you can earn all kinds of rewards to build your stock, right? If you want to, to build your kitchen tools so that you have more things to demo. We never have to carry inventory. Pampered Chef ships all of the products directly to the customer, so we don't have to receive orders and ship and package them and deliver them. Pampered Chef does all of that stuff. There's no contract, so when you join for that $39, you get a website free for 90 days. There is a nominal fee of $11 a month after your first 90 days. But you can really just try the business on for free for a month, 3 months, 6 months, whatever. And know that there's no long-term contracts. So I would love to chat with you. So go ahead, click on pamperedchef.com. You can email me through my Pampered Chef website too if you have more questions, or maybe you want to chat about the opportunity before you go ahead and order that kit. I can answer any questions you have about how much we make. We only have to do 150 every other month. Like, that's really easy. I could probably do that myself. And we have a great team. We laugh a lot, very supportive, cheer each other on, and really changing lives. We're really changing lives. My reason that I am so passionate about Pampered Chef is because It's given me the tools and the skills to get dinner on the table fast and to teach others to do the same thing. So it's freeing them up from stressful, busy weeknight dinners, and it's getting them to sit around the table with their families and have real conversations about what's going on in this crazy world. Family mealtime is so important, and that's what Pampered Chef is all about. And I am all about helping people get dinner on the table fast. So if you would like to join my organization, I would love to have you. We are a very diverse and eclectic group of consultants. Some do in-home shows. Most of us are virtual, and we would love to meet you and journey with you. So again, you can click the link, which is going to take you to pamperedchef.com. Click on Be a Consultant. Choose your kit, and then you're going to want to choose me as your recruiter so that I can train and mentor you. My number is 754-158, and again, that's in the comments, or you can search for me by name, Wendy Emerson. I do live in New York State, just in case there's more than one Wendy Emerson. And once I get the email that you've joined, I will be in touch, and we will get you going and get you off to a very successful and prosperous and exciting career with the Pampered Chef, or side gig. You know, maybe you just want to save money for a vacation or a trip or a car or a wedding or whatever. Pampered Chef can be that for you. So love to answer any questions you have. I would love to see you join my team, and hopefully we'll see ya in our Pampered Chef Consultant group. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.